In high-risk work environments, you face tremendous pressure to ensure the safety of your workers, the compliance of your contractors and suppliers, and the sustainability of your organization. The thought of switching your risk management practices to a new solution can seem daunting. Veriforce makes it easy. As the premier supply chain risk management solution, we've helped hundreds of organizations replace their existing, inadequate risk management solution or implement an innovative solution for the first time. Veriforce has the experience and expertise to provide a seamless transition for your business. Here's how it works. Our discovery team takes a look at your existing operations, goals and objectives, and the biggest pain points you experience managing your supply chain. We then provide you with recommendations on the best way to configure our platform for your organization to help reach your goals. Next, you'll receive tailored training on our user-friendly platform, while our extensive support team acts on your behalf to communicate your requirements to your contractors and suppliers. Our team of experts engages with your contractors and suppliers, ensuring adoption and compliance, while also providing technical support if needed. Lastly, we continue to work together to optimize your new solution, ensuring you're set for a safer, smarter, and more sustainable risk management operation. And as your business grows, so will your solution, leveraging the flexibility and scalability that you'd expect from a world-class business partner. Work safer, reduce risk, and achieve better business outcomes, all in the Veriforce network. Schedule a call today to get started.